podcast contains strong
Whether it's
language
morning,
which
noon,
may
or
be
night,
offensive
the
to
Learn,
some.
Develop, Live podcast will set you right. This is the Learn, Develop, Live 1 Minute of Motivation.
What is going on? Welcome back to the Learn, Develop, Live podcast. This is your 1 minute of motivation, and we are here to inspire and motivate you towards living your life on a higher level. But first, here is today's quote from Robert Q. Sometimes you need bad things to happen to inspire you to change and grow. If every day just went by smelling of roses, just how would you learn anything new, especially if things went wrong or just didn't want to work out? Just how would you get over the slight hiccups or the possible failures? Things have to go wrong for you to get things right, to continuously look to improve something and build upon the blood, sweat and tears that comes along with it all. Bad things make incredible people.
That was your 1 minute of motivation. You can find more motivation and inspiration at learndeveloplive.com, and we'll see you tomorrow for more.